This is a 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor, black over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, remote start, paddle shifters, upfitter switches, satellite radio, electronic climate control, traction control. Let's look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, sliding tonneau cover. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.